Hi friends! Today we're going to learn all about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. When we subtract, the number gets smaller. We have 2 pineapples. Now we take away 1 pineapple. How many are left? That's right, just 1 pineapple is left. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Look, we have 4 beautiful flowers. Now we pick 2 flowers and give them to a friend. How many flowers are left? Yes, 2 flowers because 4 minus 2 equals 2. We have 3 yummy cupcakes. Now we eat 2 cupcakes. Yum, yum. How many cupcakes are left? That's right, just 1 cupcake is left. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Let's play with some balls. We have 5 balls. Now we give away 2 balls to our friends. How many balls are left? Yes, 3 balls are left. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Yay! We have 4 delicious cookies. Oops! Someone eats 1 cookie. How many cookies are left? That's right. 3 cookies are left. So minus 1 equals 3. Look, we have 2 yummy donuts. We don't eat any, so 0 donuts are taken away. How many donuts do we still have? Yes, we still have 2 donuts because 2 minus 0 equals 2. We have 1 pencil to use. If we take away 1 pencil, how many pencils are left? That's right, 0 pencils, because 1 minus 1 equals 0. Look at these fresh carrots. We have 5 carrots. Now we take away 3 carrots to make a yummy soup. How many carrots are left? Yes, there are 2 carrots left, because 5 minus 3 equals 2. Look, we have 4 juicy kiwis. Now we eat 3 kiwis. So tasty! How many kiwis are left? That's right, 1 kiwi is left because 4 minus 3 equals 1. Look, we have 4 juicy oranges. Now we give away all 4 oranges to our friends. How many oranges are left? That's right, 0 oranges because 4 minus 4 equals 0. Yummy! We have 3 fresh strawberries. Now we eat 1 strawberry. Delicious! How many strawberries are left? That's right, 2 strawberries are left because 3 minus 1 equals 2. Look at these sweet mangoes. We have 6 mangoes. Now we share 3 mangoes with our friends. How many mangoes are left? Yes, there are 3 mangoes left because 6 minus 3 equals 3. Look, we have 3 teddy bears ready to play. No teddy bears go away. 0 bears are taken. How many teddy bears are still here? Yes, all 3 teddy bears are still here because 3 minus 0 equals 3. Look at these awesome guitars. We have 6 guitars. Now we lend 2 guitars to our friends to play some tunes. How many guitars are left? Yes, there are 4 guitars left because 6 minus 2 equals 4. Look at these cute dolls. We have 2 dolls. Now both dolls go to play with friends. How many dolls are left? That's right, 0 dolls are left because 2 minus 2 equals 0. Great job today, friends. You did an awesome job learning subtraction. Remember, subtraction means taking away and finding out what's left. Keep practicing with your toys, snacks or even your drawings, and you'll be a subtraction superstar in no time. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time for more fun math adventures. Bye for now. Looking for fun, printable colouring books and worksheets? Visit Mojumi on Etsy. Link in the description.